Are you a music producer and need some new sounds for your latest productions? Check out our essential production kits on our website www.artoflove.london or by simply clicking the link in the description. Check them out. What equipment do you need to start DJing? Well, you're going to need obviously a DJ controller, some headphones, spare speakers or a speaker I've seen, USB hard drives and the little pen USBs, and a laptop or a PC, and you're good to go. Let's talk about buying music. So you can buy music from iTunes, Amazon Music, but there's also places like TrackSource where you can buy electronic music, hip-hop music, R&B music, places like Beatport. Beatport is really dedicated to electronic music, so you would find many different subgenres of electronic music where you could buy from in Beatport. Also there's Juno. In Juno, I like Juno because you can also, some producers will sell vinyl music as well, so you can also buy vinyl and DJ equipment from Juno. So it's a handy website to look at. But if I'm looking to find new music from like up and coming DJs and stuff like that, I would use a thing called Bandcamp, a site called Bandcamp, where many independent artists will upload their music and you can buy it for a certain price, or you can set your own price, or sometimes it's free. So have a look at that. And many of these producers are unknown, so it's like you are actually helping their career by supporting them. So I like to look at Bandcamp for new music, new up and coming music. And also you can't actually buy music from the site, but SoundCloud, independent artists put music up on SoundCloud, and you can basically, when their tracks are there, if they put it out for distribution on iTunes or any other distribution site, they will have a link underneath the track, so you can always click on the link to the track and buy the track. But it's a good way to find new music, SoundCloud. So yeah, and Bandcamp for new music as well from up and coming producers, independent artists. But you can still see the same on TrackSource and Beatport, but some producers, some up and comers, just like to distribute music on their own platform, and Bandcamp gives them that ability to do that, where they can basically just sell their own music on Bandcamp, nowhere else. So yeah, it's a good way to find exclusive stuff, so take a look at that. Let's take a deeper look into what controller, as a beginner, would I advise you to get. I would always, to begin with, get something cheap and cheerful. You can find cheap DJ controllers online, on eBay, CEX. If you're on the street, look for a CEX shop. They usually have a lot of old refurbished and used DJ controllers. Because just remember, this is just to practice on. You know, depending where you want to go with your DJing, it could, you know, just last you for 6 months, depending, and you could just move on to a better controller. But price range is what I would really spend. This Newmark Mixtrack Pro 2, I'm looking online right now, and it's £72 in CEX. So, and you're bound to find somewhere cheaper, next one cheaper on Gumtree or eBay. So have a look round and see. Why I like the Newmark Mixtrack Pros is because they also connect well with DJ softwares like Serato, which is a free DJ software, which you could just download to your PC and your laptop or your Mac laptop and hook it into the DJ Newmark Mixtrack Pro with no problems and play away. So that's why I like Newmark Mixtrack Pros. But as I say, this is just my starter one. I have different, so I use Rekordbox for my more professional, when I'm trying to practice for my club sets. So yeah, but anyway, this video is aimed at beginners, people who want to get into DJing. So I'm assuming that you haven't got no gear, or you've just been given some gear and you just want to get into DJing. So yeah, have a look at something cheap and friendly like a Newmark Mixtrack Pro, but I would say, just my advice, buy a controller which either comes with software like Serato, or look on the Serato DJ website and see what controllers connect to them, and then go from there, because you're bound to find ones what are probably cheaper than the Newmark Mixtrack 2. I know the Newmark Mixtrack Pro, the one before this, actually still works with Serato, so you could buy that one, and if this one's £72, the older one must be cheaper. So have a look and fish around. And you might need to buy from Amazon a few jacks. Can you see them here? Yeah, a few headphone jacks. They're cheap as well online, on the Amazon. So you could buy, I don't know, a bag of 10 or a bag of 7 for about less than tenner. So yeah, even cheaper than that. So yeah, have a look at them as well, just in case you get your headphones and it's got an end like that. You see, so it needs to be a bit thicker to go into, to be inputted into the Mixtrack Pro. So you're gonna need to get a jack. Sorry, and slide it in there. Then, because once you purchase your Mixtrack, it should come with this USB connection into the PC. So you're right for that. But then you may need to pick up, what are they called again? 2 RCA phono plugs to stereo jack cables as well, which are these 2 blue, well, white and red wires, and they install into your speakers. So USB goes into your laptop or your PC. RCAs, one goes into the left speaker, one goes into the right speaker. Good to go, you're hooked up with sound, your headphones are plugged in. Next thing you need to do is load up your Serato or whichever DJ software you're using. Hopefully it's all connected up well. Whenever you whenever you turn on Serato with the Mixtrack Pro, these lights always turn up. So then you know that, yeah, everything's fully connected. Then you're good to go.
The creative industry is vast, and without the proper support or someone to help you find your feet, it can seem like a lot. For the love of all things arts, we created Art of Love, a community interest company. We provide affordable youth tuition, music production services. Art of Love guarantees an in-depth, comprehensive study approach, high-level trainer expertise, and top-notch equipment. You learn the creative process of making music in a relaxing environment. We have customized our delivery to suit your lifestyle, and we now offer online classes. Our prices are unbeatable and worth every penny, with a standing price match offer. We guarantee the best quality training available, delivered by experienced and skillful industry professionals. Book a free 10-minute consultation with us today on www.artoflove.london and begin your career.